In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively search on Google Drive. This can be a game changer for those who deal with a large number of files and documents in their daily routine. Finding exactly what you need quickly and effortlessly can save you a lot of time and hassle. Let's begin by making sure you're on your Google browser. This is the starting point of our journey into optimizing your Google Drive search skills. Look for the Google Apps icon, which usually appears as a grid of 9 small squares or dots, often referred to as the waffle icon. Clicking on this icon will open up a menu displaying various Google services available to you. Once you've got the Google Apps menu open, locate the Drive icon. It's typically represented by a triangular shape with green, yellow and blue colours. Click on it and this will bring you right into your Google Drive, which is the home for all the files, folders and collaborative documents you store there. Now that you're in Google Drive, direct your attention to the search bar at the top of your screen. This bar is your primary tool for searching through your documents. Simply type in the search term related to what you're looking for. Maybe it's the name of a document, the content within a file, or even a keyword you remember associating with it. For a more refined search, you might want to click on the Show Search Options toggle. This feature allows you to access more advanced search criteria, giving you the ability to narrow your search further. You can filter by file type, owner, modification date and more, which can be particularly useful if you have a vague idea about some of these aspects regarding the file you're searching for. A handy trick within Google Drive is the ability to search within specific folders. If you know the folder where your file might be, navigate to it first using the folder structure on the left hand side, then perform your search. This can significantly cut down on unnecessary results and get you to your target much faster. You can also search by specific keywords or names. This can be especially useful if you frequently collaborate with others and remember the person who owns or last modified the document you're looking for. Once you've got your search results, you have options to sort and filter them further. Perhaps you're looking for the most recently modified version of a file, or you might want to sort it alphabetically. Use these sorting options to quickly surface the most relevant files. And there you have it. With these simple steps, mastering the Google Drive search functionality can become an easy and efficient part of your workflow. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be gliding through your Drive with speed and precision. Thanks for joining me today, and happy searching.